Do you see the state of my hair? That's how I feel. Ragged and crazed. Well, well, well. Here we are again. When does it stop? Oh my god, I'm gonna go crazy. Okay. I got a free sandwich the other day, and I truly think since then I've been cursed, and that's probably why it was free. Hi, welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. This is gonna be short. Yesterday I got a new camera, and we went to the Van Gogh Museum. It was beautiful. It was a lovely time. Then we went and got dinner. It was also beautiful in a different way and a lovely time. And I filmed the whole thing. And then I came into this bathroom and I talked to people, you mostly, and somehow none of that footage survived on my new camera. Trying to think of anything else I could film that would be interesting, but I'm in a, do you see the state of my hair? That's how I feel. Ragged and crazed. Yeah, I'm sorry. Y'all, I'm just gonna cut this right now because I've been trying to speak and film for like so long now, and I just feel like I'm failing at it. So we're just gonna stop. I just wanted to update you. I also wanted to film something for today so that something went up, and yeah, hopefully this was a good 2 minutes of your life. I don't know. Here's a funny video to try and make up for it. Bye.
It was only a silent movie. Well, if the movie was silent, why can't you be?